Blending words with a, ka, uck. This is alphabet U, and in phonic U sounds like A. And this is alphabet C, and in phonic C sounds like Ka. And this is K, and in phonic C also sounds like Ka. So together, A, ka, uck. A, ka, uck. Uck. This is S, and in phonic S sounds like S. All together, ka, uck, suck. Suck means Joshua. Ka, uck, suck. Suck means Joshua. Ka, uck. This is M, and in phonic M sounds like So all together, ka, uck, knock. Knock means kadamati. Ka, uck, knock. Knock means kadamati. Ka, uck. This is T, and in phonic T sounds like ta. So all together, ka, uck, ta. Ka, uck, ta. Tak means গুটানো বা ভাঁজ করা। ka, uck, ta. Tak means গুটিয়ে রাখা। Ka, uck. This is D, and in phonic D sounds like da. So together, ka, uck, duck. Duck means hush. Ka, uck, duck. Duck means hush. Underline the names of the picture. This is picture of suck. So first one is uck, suck. This is muck. Uck, muck. This is tuck. Uck, tuck. This is duck. Uck, duck. Uck, suck. Suck means Joshua. Uck, knock. Knock means kadamati. Uck, tuck. Tuck means গুটানো বা গুটিয়ে রাখা, ভাঁজ করা। Duck. Duck means hush. This is picture of suck. Uck is already here, so let's put only s in this blank. Uck, suck. This is muck. Uck. Let's put only in this blank. Uck, muck. This is tuck. This man is tucking his shirt in his pant. Tuck. Duck. Yes, now that it's completed.